Hello everyone! Welcome to our educational video on arithmetic sequences. In today's lesson, we will define what an arithmetic sequence is, how to find the common difference, and solve a problem involving the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Let's start by understanding what is arithmetic sequence is. Over to Janessa to explain.
So, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers in which the difference between consecutive terms is always the same. This difference is called the common difference. For example, in the sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14, the difference between each consecutive number is 3. This makes it an arithmetic sequence because we keep adding the same number 3 to each term to get the next one.
Great explanation. Now, let's see how to find the common difference. To calculate the common difference in any arithmetic sequence, you subtract any term from that term that follows it. For example, let's take the sequence 4, 7, 10, and 13. Subtract 4 from 7, which gives us 3. We do the same with 7 and 10, and so on. So, the common difference here is 3. Simple, right?
Now that we know the common difference, let's look at how we can find any term in the sequence using a formula. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence can be found using the formula. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b, where a sub n is the nth term and a sub 1 is the first term and n is the term number and d is the common difference. Let's solve a problem using this formula. Over to Donna.
Alright, let's solve this example. Find the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence 2, 6, 10, 14. First, we identify the values. A sub 1 is 2. The common difference is 4. Since 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. And the number of terms is 10. Using the formula, a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus times the number of terms minus 1 times the common difference. We plug in the values. A sub 1 is equals to 2. The number of terms is equals to 10. And the common difference is equals to 4. So, a sub 10 is equals to 2 plus times 10 minus 1 times 4. A sub 10 is equals to 2 plus 9 times 4 is equals to 2 plus 36 is equals to 38. The 10th term of the sequence is 38.
Great job, Group 1! So to summarize, we've learned what an arithmetic sequence is, how to find a common difference, and how to solve for the nth term using a formula. Thanks for watching on our video, and we hope you found it helpful.